Hello friends, welcome again in this video. And in this video I want to share with you how I learned English by myself. Friends, if you are alone and you don't have any English speaking partner, so this journey is become to very difficult for you. If you want to speak English, so watch this video till the end. And if you just started your journey, so this video is going to be very helpful for you. Okay, and in this video you get some tips, you get some knowledge about learn this language and about how to speak English, how to learn English by myself. Okay friends, so this video is going to be very helpful for you. Okay friends, so without any further delay, let's start this video. And first of all, I want to share with you my situation. Friends, in this journey I'm totally alone, and I practice only at home. I'm not join any English spoken classes. I'm not join any English spoken classes online and offline. No, everything is not. But I want to speak English anyhow. I want to speak English. I want to change myself. I want to change my personality, so that I want to speak English as much as possible. Okay friends, so this video is start here. So friends, first thing is start describing yourself. You know, describing yourself, it's very helpful for you. If you started your English journey and you don't have where I should start my English journey, so I love to suggest you start describing yourself every single day as much as you can. Okay, but start. And the next thing is use Google Translate in beginning days. It's must be important. I would say when I was started my English journey, I don't know about this language. I don't know how I speak English. Even I don't believe in myself I can speak English. But today I can speak English. I don't say I speak English properly. I don't say I speak English very big, very big level, advanced level. No, I just say I speak English little bit, but I can speak. It's a very big achievement for me, because my background is not English medium. I from Hindi medium background, but I want to speak English. Friends, this is most important things. Okay, so that I just started my English journey, and I can speak English. This is a very big achievement for me. So I celebrate my achievement, and I I would try to continue in the this journey, because I have to I have to achieve more and more. I have to learn more and more. Okay, friends. So come to this topic, and I would say start image describing. This is a very good way to improve your English. Order to improve your English, just take a picture, even picture which you have. Okay, but take a picture. Okay, if you not have picture, then you go Google and search a simple picture. Okay, and start describing. This picture is have a beautiful river. This picture is have a beautiful nature. uh, and this picture is have a mountain, trees, and some kettles, and some house, village. And this picture is describing a village life, totally a village life, because pictures have river, trees, mountain, kettles, house, and some women's children are playing. you know this way try to describe pictures. Okay, and the next thing is start use shadowing method. Friends, this is very important for me, so that is why I want to give you, so that is why I want to suggest you start use shadowing method. Because when you start shadowing method, then you stand front of mirror and start talking with yourself. Okay, and start talking any particular subject, any particular work, any particular topic, but start talking with you. But not start talking every single day one topic, only one topic. I would say same topic, just I forget things, but I would say same topic. No, if you talk yourself only one topic, then how could you know expect that I fluent in English? Only one topic? No, it's no. So you should give different of topic and start talking with yourself in mirror, and you see that your expression, expression is must be important while speaking. Friends, when you talk even a Hindi, even your mother tongue, then you make different of expression means eyes contacts, mouth smile, your hands expression, a lot of things. Okay, so same in English. If you want to any water bottle, then you uh, then you talk with them, please give me a water. Your expression is polite way. you know could you give me a water bottle, please? This is a politely request. Your expression is normally politely. And when you angry, then your expression is, how is that, what you do, what you want. This is a you know angry expression. I would say angry expression. So when you stand in front of mirror, then your expression is going to different types of. So expression is most important. And just stand yourself in mirror and start talking with yourself, and you get some different expression, smile, your face expression, your hands expression you get. Okay, and the next thing is, if you don't know about this language, how I learn English, how I learn English at alone by myself. So friends, this is not big challenge, it's natural. And so many people, they started learning English by own self, at alone at home. So that is not big problem, everyone goes this problem. Okay, so I don't say this is very big problem for me. It's not. Just just you have courage, just you have motivate. Okay, it's need a motivate. Okay, and the next thing is very important for every learners, for every student. Friends, be consistent. Be consistent. Without consistency, I don't say you get your goal, you get your dreams. No, every language, every subject, every language, every goal, every subject, this need to consistency. Without consistency, this is not possible. Friends, when you speak today you speak a lot of 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour, but tomorrow you don't speak even a single words. And then yesterday you try to speak, and then then next day you have a break. So this is correct way to improve your English? I would say this is not. So I don't suggest you break your consistency. It is not good way. So maintain your consistency properly. Okay, so friends, I want to recommend you. Okay, and the next thing is, and the narrate your life. Friends, start narrating your life, and what you want, what you have to do, what you done. Just start speaking in which topic. Okay, if you today have any done if you today have any work, so you should start narrate this topic. Today I have to do a lot of work. Today I have some works. Today I want to speak English. So friends, I want to suggest you these are tips, and I already do these tips order to improve my English. Okay friends, and if you do these tips, and you will feel yes, this is a right way to improve my English. And so friends, we'll meet till the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.